Top 5 Heaviest Vehicles Car Tested in 2017.
We place every new vehicle we feature on our scales, as part of our in-depth road test procedure, to see how just heavy they really are, rather than simply relying on manufacturer claims.
And sometimes we get some pretty hefty machines rolling into our garage.
Below we have listed the heaviest cars we've weighed over the past 12 months. Yes, these are the portliest cars from the pool of 99 vehicles we tested in 2017.
5. Land Rover Discovery TD6R Dynamic HSE, 2 plus 2 21 kg, claim 2 plus 2 98 kg. The latest wilderness faring Discovery is a pretty intimidating size in the metal, with an overall mass figure to back up that image.
Built on a unibody chassis, the new model is supposed to boast lower overall mass, but on the scales it's still pretty plump, although interestingly a little lighter than claimed.
4. Ford Ranger 3,2 CXLT 4x4 at 2 plus 2 29 kg, claimed 1 plus 999 kg. The Ford Ranger has become something of a South African favorite, thanks in part to its tough guy styling.
Based on the readings we received from our scales, the big backy has the muscle, or should that be metal, to back up its appearance.
3. Ford Everest 2,2 CXLT 6AT 4x2, 2 plus 2 75 kg, claim 2 plus 2 20 kg.
Since it shares much with the Ranger, it's no surprise to find the Everest this is on the list as well.
The hulking Everest is a capable off-roading SUV, but also one of the heaviest in its segment.
2. BMW M760 Li, 2 plus 301 kg, claim 2 plus 326 kg.
Not only was this one of the fastest cars we've tested this year, it was also one of the heaviest.
Couple its OKL underpinnings with a hefty 6,6-liter twin-turbo V12. And you have a heavy-hitting German limousine that makes you feel like you're worth its R2.7 million price tag?
1. Rolls-Royce Dawn, 2 plus 631 kg, claimed 2 plus 560 kg.
Sitting on the same platform and using the same V12 as the aforementioned BMW M760 Li.
The Rolls-Royce Dawn tops the list of the heaviest cars we've tested this year. And it also happens to be the most luxurious. Turns out you really are getting a lot for your money.